So normally when you watch these videos, someone has given someone a mattress or sent them a mattress free and they're doing a review on it. I have purchased my mattresses, and this is my 5th mattress that I've purchased from this company. I'm going to give you my review on it. We're getting ready to replace one because we want a king instead of queen. I'm going to show you the bed set, and I'm going to show you guys how you can save money on this with a special code. In the description below, I'll link to it, so hold on one sec. So one of the things I want you to understand first with these mattresses is that these mattresses are not just big chunks of foam inside of a box. I was fortunate enough to help some friends open up a furniture store decades ago, and I got a really good lesson on mattress manufacturing at that time. These mattresses are hybrid mattresses. They have actually a coil system at the bottom, then they have several different layers of foam, and then they have a soft pillow top covering that's just wonderful. And yes, they come in, they actually suction them down, and then they roll them up, and it comes inside of a box. You'll be amazed when you open this thing up, allow the air to come out of it, see it expand, and then you give it about 6 hours or so for it to fully expand up, and you will be absolutely amazed with the comfort level. For the money, again, for the money. So when you go to the website, you go over to the website, I'll put a link in the description below, and on our website, I link directly to it. You punch in the code DOC, D-O-C, for a king-size mattress delivered to your door. It's going to start off at about $700, and when you put in that code, it's going to take it down to, I believe, $598 for a king-size inner spring hybrid mattress delivered to your door most parts of the country. They ship it ground, FedEx, ground, and it usually takes about 7 to 10 days to arrive. I will warn you that the mattress is heavy, so you're going to need 2 people to actually bring it upstairs. I'm just going to warn you. So my wife and I are actually going to bring this mattress upstairs in the beach house and put it back in here. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take apart this old mattress and the old bed and show you the new bed that we ordered on Amazon, which is actually pretty cool. This, believe it or not, is a year-old version of what I'm talking about. So let me explain. We did our remodel. We bought our house right sort of in the beginning of COVID, and we did a full remodel of this entire beach house. This was the ugliest room you've ever seen. It was dark green, and we've come in here, we've painted, we've taken popcorn off the ceilings, we put in blinds, we put in new drapes, and obviously we put in a new bed. This was dark green, nasty old room, new floors, everything. But this mattress is the mattress that we ordered about a year ago, and man, it's just still gorgeous. So this is the mattress that is over a year old, so you can see it. And we actually ordered this headboard and platform set off Amazon. It wasn't expensive. I think it's probably less than $300. But we just had to make do with what was available at that time. So here's our plan. The only problem with this guest room is that when people come down here, most of the people we know are used to sleeping in kings, and now they come down and sleep in a queen, and it just doesn't work. Well, this sliding door, no one ever goes out of because we have 2 of these. No one ever. So we're going to turn that door sort of into a window. We're going to put the king up against that, and there'll be plenty of room in here, but everyone will enjoy it more because it's a king-size bed. Been through hell and back. Look at that thing. So that's the box that it comes in. Amazingly, that is the entire king-size mattress right there. Get it inside. Okay, so this is what a king-size mattress looks like when it's all rolled up out of the box. That's what it's going to come with. And let me show you. This is where the fun begins. It's going to come with one of these little cutters on it. So it looks like a little letter opener. See that? And then you're going to use that just to take off the first layer. So I got to figure out how I actually want it on the bed. You just want to take off this first initial layer. Don't cut into the second layer of this. You're going to hear some air suck into it initially. So let me explain what happened. That was yesterday we were doing this. Apparently that box was absolutely destroyed from FedEx. It got lost for like 2 or 3 days. I don't know what happened to it, and it was all torn up. I believe FedEx actually punctured the inner layer of the plastic. So all you do is you take off the outer layer, you put it on your bed, and then you go ahead and cut out slice open the inner layer. What you didn't get to see, which is really cool, and I'll show you from the last one, is when you open that inner layer, the mattress will all of a sudden grow. It starts to expand and starts to expand and starts to expand. And then what you do is you let it sit on the bed for about 4 to 6 hours. Just leave it, and it'll go up the additional 100. It'll come up to about 80-90%, and then over a couple of hours it fully expands out. But it was kind of funny. I was like, oh no, I got this big mattress growing in here. So get it up on the bed before you start opening it. That's my recommendation. Let me show you the rest. There is the actual mattress here. And usually takes about 24 hours before all that foam starts to expand back up. It's about 80% expanded as soon as you open it. And then again, it takes about 24 hours for it to fully expand, but you can sleep on it. And I mean, just a nice, lush pillow top mattress. The only thing you have to deal with, and I caution people on this, even my son, who's strong, I said, dude, you got to understand, a king-size mattress is heavy. A lot of people don't realize that. So it is a 2-person job. Don't try and do it yourself. But already out of the box, this thing just sleeps so nicely. It fills all those voids in your gap, and that's kind of what a good mattress does. It's firm on the base and support, but the top is soft to fill in all those gaps. Man, that feels so good on my back right now. Oh, look at that luxury. Oh, that is luxurious. Don't you love it? Don't you just love it? And the nice thing about this bed is it's nice. It's not tall. The dogs can actually jump up on it. They can't jump up on the master bedroom one. So here's what I want you to understand about these mattresses. Again, this is my 5th mattress. We have 2 at the house, 2 at the house. I gave one to my son for Christmas. Then we had the queen, and we just replaced that queen with the king. We donated it to a local family. His wife, the guy's wife, had cancer, and they were in the need for a queen set. So we donated that whole set to them, and we replaced it with this. This is a good value for the money. You can go out and easily spend for a pillow top mattress that has an inside coil system, a hybrid mattress. It's easy to spend $1,200 to $2,500 on a system like this. This mattress delivered to my door was about $590. The headboard set, which is wonderful, by the way, it's all solid wood. It's made out of pine, really well constructed. I think that was about $300 maybe for this whole king size headboard system. So in the description below, I'm going to link to the headboard, that bed frame system. It's a great one. They do it in different colors. You do not need a box spring. It just sits right on top of the slats. Go to the website and you can click on the box. It'll take you over to this exact mattress, and you can choose. Now this is a 12-inch. Get the 12-inch. The 12-inch hybrid, and use the code DOC, and that's how you get the savings on it. It'll find the lowest price on the whole system, but this is the 12-inch pillow top. When you go to the website, it'll take you exactly to this actual model. You just have to choose the size and the depth. That's it. Hope it helped. DOC.